Hey there, fellow gearheads. Are you ready to unleash the full potential of your ride? Well, you're in luck because today we're diving into the world of boost gauges. Whether you're a speed demon craving more power or a tuning enthusiast looking to optimize performance, a boost gauge is your ticket to turbocharged excitement. But with so many options on the market, how do you choose the best one for your needs? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Join me as we explore the 7 best boost gauges that'll take your driving experience to the next level. Let's kick things off with the GlowShift Turbo Boost / Vacuum Gauge Kit. Crafted with precision and engineered for excellence, this gauge is a true game changer for any turbocharged vehicle. Its sleek design seamlessly integrates into your dashboard, adding a touch of style to your cockpit. When it comes to quality, GlowShift doesn't disappoint. Constructed with durable materials, this gauge is built to withstand the rigors of the road, ensuring long-lasting performance mile after mile. But it's not just about looks. This gauge packs a punch in the usability department too. With its user-friendly interface and intuitive controls, monitoring your turbo boost levels has never been easier. Whether you're hitting the track or cruising down the highway, this gauge gives you real-time insights into your engine's performance, allowing you to unleash its full potential with confidence. But what sets the GlowShift Turbo Boost / Vacuum Gauge Kit apart from the competition? It's all about the features. From customizable display options to peak recall functionality, this gauge offers a plethora of features designed to enhance your driving experience. Next up, we have the AEM UEGO air/fuel ratio gauge, a must-have accessory for any performance-driven driver. Designed with accuracy in mind, this gauge delivers precise air/fuel ratio readings, allowing you to fine-tune your engine's performance with unparalleled precision. Quality is paramount when it comes to the AEM UEGO gauge. Engineered to meet the highest standards of craftsmanship, this gauge is built to last, ensuring reliable performance in even the most demanding driving conditions. Plus, its sleek and compact design adds a touch of sophistication to any cockpit. Usability is where this gauge truly shines. With its intuitive interface and easy-to-read display, monitoring your air/fuel ratio has never been simpler. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or a weekend warrior, you'll appreciate the straightforward design and hassle-free operation of the AEM UEGO gauge. Durability is key when it comes to automotive accessories, and the AEM UEGO gauge doesn't disappoint. Constructed from high-quality materials, this gauge is built to withstand the wear and tear of daily driving, ensuring long-lasting performance you can rely on. Number 3. Myoa Turbo Boost Gauge Kit. This powerhouse of a gauge is designed to deliver accurate readings while enhancing the look of your interior. Crafted with precision, it boasts a sleek and modern design that seamlessly integrates into any dashboard. When it comes to quality, Myoa doesn't disappoint. The gauge is constructed using high-grade materials, ensuring durability and longevity. Whether you're hitting the track or cruising the streets, you can trust this gauge to withstand the rigors of performance driving. Usability is key, and the YONEDA Turbo Boost Gauge Kit excels in this department. With its user-friendly interface and intuitive controls, monitoring your boost levels has never been easier. Plus, its bright display ensures visibility even in the brightest of conditions. Effectiveness is where this gauge truly shines. Thanks to its advanced sensor technology, it provides real-time readings with pinpoint accuracy. Whether you're pushing your engine to the limit or fine-tuning your boost levels, you can rely on the YONEDA Turbo Boost Gauge Kit to keep you informed every step of the way. Number 4. Actron Bosch Style Line Vacuum / Boost Gauge. This sleek and stylish gauge combines performance with aesthetics, making it a popular choice among automotive enthusiasts. Quality is paramount, and Actron delivers with this gauge. Built to withstand the demands of high-performance driving, it's constructed using top-of-the-line materials that ensure durability and reliability. Whether you're tackling the track or hitting the trails, you can trust this gauge to keep up with your adventures. Usability is another area where the Actron Bosch Style Line Vacuum / Boost Gauge excels. Featuring a user-friendly interface and intuitive controls, it's easy to operate even for novice users. Plus, its compact design makes it a breeze to install in any vehicle. When it comes to effectiveness, this gauge doesn't disappoint. Equipped with advanced sensor technology, it delivers accurate readings in real time, allowing you to monitor your boost levels with confidence. Whether you're chasing horsepower or fine-tuning your engine, you can rely on this gauge to provide the data you need. Number 5. Autometer Ultra-Lite Boost/Vacuum Gauge, 400 words. Let's kick things off with the Autometer Ultra-Lite Boost/Vacuum Gauge. This gauge boasts a sleek design that seamlessly blends into any car's interior, enhancing both its aesthetics and functionality. Crafted with precision, the Ultra-Lite features high-quality materials that ensure durability and longevity, making it a worthy investment for any car enthusiast. When it comes to usability, this gauge shines bright. Its intuitive interface allows for easy reading of boost and vacuum levels, providing real-time data to help you fine-tune your engine's performance. Whether you're hitting the track or cruising the streets, the Ultra-Lite keeps you informed every step of the way. In terms of effectiveness, this gauge doesn't disappoint. Its accurate readings and responsive nature make it a valuable tool for monitoring your engine's performance under various driving conditions. Plus, with its comprehensive specifications, including pressure range and compatibility with different vehicles, the Ultra-Lite proves to be a versatile companion for any car enthusiast. Number 6. Next up, we have the Innovate Motorsports MTX Digital Vacuum/Boost Gauge Kit, a powerhouse of performance monitoring. This kit offers not just a boost gauge, but a complete solution for keeping tabs on your engine's vital stats. With its digital display and advanced sensors, the MTX provides precise readings with unmatched accuracy. Designed with usability in mind, this gauge kit offers plug-and-play installation, making it a breeze to set up and start using right away. Its user-friendly interface allows for easy navigation through various settings, ensuring that you have full control over your monitoring experience. When it comes to durability, the MTX doesn't disappoint. Built to withstand the rigors of daily driving and intense racing conditions, this gauge kit is engineered to last. Its rugged construction and robust components ensure reliable performance, even in the harshest environments. But what truly sets the MTX apart is its array of features. From customizable display options to data logging capabilities, this gauge kit offers a level of versatility that's hard to beat. Whether you're fine-tuning your engine's boost levels or analyzing performance data, the MTX gives you the tools you need to stay ahead of the curve. Finally, number 7. Autometer Sport Comp Mechanical Boost Gauge, a true classic in the world of performance instrumentation. With its timeless design and rugged build, this gauge exudes reliability and durability. The quality craftsmanship of the Sport Comp Mechanical Boost Gauge is evident from the moment you lay eyes on it. From its precision machine components to its high-quality materials, every aspect speaks to its superior build. This gauge is built to last, ensuring years of reliable performance under the most demanding conditions. Usability is where the Sport Comp truly shines. Its mechanical design offers simplicity and reliability, with no need for batteries or complicated wiring. Installation is a breeze, making it a favorite among DIY enthusiasts and professional tuners alike. When it comes to effectiveness, the Sport Comp delivers in spades. Its accurate readings and responsive dial make it easy to monitor your engine's boost levels with confidence. Whether you're pushing the limits on the track or tackling challenging terrain off-road, this gauge will keep you informed and in control. Thanks for watching our roundup of the 7 best boost gauges. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more automotive content. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And remember, stay tuned for our next video where we dive deeper into the world of automotive upgrades. See you next time.